Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Short Clip English Lessons with Teacher Quentin, where we aim to teach you an English lesson in 5 minutes or less. Today's topic, landforms and bodies of water. So let's get started. A landform is a natural feature on the Earth's surface. Let's look at a few. The first, a mountain. Mountains are usually very tall and usually come to a point. Next, we have a hill. Hills are much smaller than mountains and usually more rounded at the top. We even have hills usually in our cities. A valley. A valley is the land that is between two large hills or two mountains. The land in between is known as a valley. And now a volcano. Now a volcano looks very similar to a mountain, but this one can be very dangerous because sometimes it erupts and lava comes out. So that is the difference between a mountain and a volcano. And lastly, an island. An island is an area of land that is surrounded by water. Some of you may even live on an island. Okay, so now let's talk about our bodies of water. A body of water is any area of water on the Earth's surface. First, let's start with the largest, the ocean. Next, we have a river. Many of you may live in a city that has a river that runs through it. Or maybe you live near a river. A lake. Now, a lake is a large body of water that is completely surrounded by land. Now, the key word is it's a large body of water. And that's important because we also have a pond. And a pond is a small body of water that is completely surrounded by land. So lakes are big, where ponds are small. All right, everyone. Now it's time to see if you remember. Let's review. Okay. What was this one? What was this one? You got it. A valley. And now this. What do we call this? A lake. What about now? What's this one? A mountain. Okay. What do you see here? An ocean. What about now? What's that? An island. And now? You guessed it, a river. Ooh, and the dangerous one. A volcano. And what about our small rounded incline? Yep, that's a hill. And lastly, what about this? Our small area of water surrounded by land. Yep, you got it. A pond. Good job, everyone. So now, let's play one more edition of What Do You See? Look, everyone. This is where Teacher Quentin lives in Mexico. So you tell me, What do you see? What are those? Mountains! Yes, you got it! And what about this? What is that? The ocean! Great job! Great job today. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Short Clip English Lessons with Teacher Quentin. I'll see you next time. Bye!